Hello, it's Akash Thakur welcoming you on my YouTube channel Top 10 in different categories. I'm gonna tell you top 10 best books for inquiring minds. A good book is very good friend. So I'm gonna to tell you a special list of books that are perfect as gift for the kinds of people that frequent outside for finding books, people seeking after new knowledge and trivia. The list of book is handpicked by me for no reason other than I have either read them and enjoyed them or they have been extremely big sellers among our readers. Be sure to buy some for your friends or loved ones or buy one for yourself for some reading over the breaks. Number 10 is The Greatest Stories Never Told by Ricky Bear. This is history candy, the good stuff. Here are 100 tables to astonish, bewilder, and stupefy. More than 2000 years of history filled with courage, cowardice, hope, triumph, sex, intrigue, folly, humor, and ambition. It's a historical delight and visual feast with hundreds of photographs, drawings, and maps that bring each story to life. Number 9 is Extraordinary Origins of Everyday Things by Charles Penaty. If you enjoy trivia and unusual facts, then Charles Penaty's Extraordinary Origin of Everyday Things is the perfect book. I have read other trivia books and I can say without hesitation that Mr. Penaty produces the best of this genre. Many trivia book lists say dry and uninspired fact sheets. Penaty, however, avoided this common pitfall and instead entertain us with unusual and well-researched trivia about the history of origin of many everyday items and customs. I own this book and highly recommend it. Number 8 is Book of Secrets by Thomas Eaton. Did you know there is a secret daily flight from the United States to Cuba, or that in 1966 the US government smashed a bacteria-laden light bulb inside the New York subway system? Thomas Eaton's Book of Secrets reveals hundreds of clandestine, covert, furtive, hush-hush and taboo pop culture and historical curiosities, from government cover-ups to marketing tricks to Colonel Sanders' secret recipe. Practical secrets are also revealed, such as how to obtain a flight upgrade, speak in public, or win friends, and influence people. Production features include a cover with rounded corners and foil stamping. Number 7 in the list is the Book of General Ignorance by John Mitchison and John Lloyd. If you like our lists on myth debunking and fascinating facts, you will love this book. This surprisingly lengthy book is jam-packed with real answer to a number of less than burning questions. Camels store fat, not water in their humps. Only 5 out of every 1 lakh paper clips are used to clip papers. The first American president was in fact Peyton Randolph, that you nevertheless may be embraced to have completely wrong. Although some of entries rely on technicality more than the actual excavation of obscure fact. Honolulu is technically the world's largest city despite the fact that 72% of its 2,127 square miles is underwater. These page-length entries prove entertaining and informative, perfect for trivia buffs and knows-it-alls. It also makes a fine coffee table conversation piece and a handy resources for prepping clever cocktail party banter. Number 6 is Uncle John's Bathroom Reader Wise Up by Bathroom Readers Institute. King Tut was buried with 145 pairs of loincloth underwear. The average newborn baby spends 130 minutes a day crying. Jimi Hendrix and Neil Young stole a truck to get Woodstock in time to perform. Players on the Chicago White Sox haven't worn white socks since 1948. Garlic and onion are both members of the lily family. These are but a few of the fascinating tidbits in the following up to the best-selling Uncle John's Bathroom Reader Extraordinary Book of Facts. Handily organized into hundreds of topics from sports and entertainment to world origins and science, the book is equally useful for short stays. Number 5 on the list is A Short History of Nearly Everything by Bill Bryson. From pre-modern nothingness to this very moment, a short history of nearly everything reports what happened and how humans figured it out. To accomplish this daunting, literally task, Bill Bryson uses hundreds of sources from popular science books to interviews with luminaries in various fields. His aim is to help people like him who rejected straight school textbooks and dry explanations to appreciate how we have used science to understand the smallest particles and the unimaginably vast expanses of space. Number 4 is the Encyclopedia of Things That Never Were by Robert Ingpen. These comprehensive compilations references myths and fantasies from around the world and spanning human history, detailed yet succinct. The very readable articles are collected under 7 topics and arranged alphabetically by subject. The diverse coverage examines myriad imagined powers and creatures from historical, sociological, cultural, and artistic perspectives. And while many of the ghosts, wizards, gremlins, gods, fairies, and so forth are familiar, many more, that is, Hyperborea, Aluli, and Phaeton, are not. Each article summarizes the identity, definition, and aspects of the entity, drawing on material derived from classical studies in myths and lore. Now it's time for top 3. On number 3 on the list is An Underground Education by Richard Jacques. True to our love of all things obscure and bizarre, here is An Underground Education. Forget the history you were taught in school. Richard Jacques' version is crueler and funnier than anything you might have learned in 7th grade civics, and much more of a gross out too. Described on the book jacket as an autodidact extraordinary, Jack is also the author of History Laid Bare, making him something of an expert guide through history's back alleys and side streets. There is no fact to, semi or preverse for Jack's dragged out into the light of day, from matters eschatological and sexual to some history's most truly bizarre episodes. Curious about ancient nose-blowing etiquette? What about the sexual proclivities of Catherine the Great? Throughout chapters such as the evolution of underwear and dentistry before Novocaine, Jack proves a tireless debunker of popular myths as well as mythbreaker par excellence. On number 2, History's Greatest Lies by William Weir. In this book, Weir neatly dispatches many of the most treasured stories to be found in the school books and repeated elsewhere. He relates that Emperor Nero did not fiddle as Rome burned because the fiddle or violin was not invented until the 16th century. His enemies are the source of that story, and he had plenty of them. Paul Revere did his best to alert the extensive colonial militia that the British were coming, but they got to him first, holding him for a while. As the word was spread by a variety of means, the Bastille was stormed because the crowd wanted to get its store of gunpowder. Its political prisoners actually lived in comfortable quarters. All things considered, this book provides a very interesting new look at history. The best is on top. On number 1, An Incomplete Education by William Wilson and Judge Jones. You will find everything you forgot from school as well as plenty you never even learned in this all-purpose reference book, an instant classic. When it first appeared in 1987, think of this book as one-stop shopping for your brain. So you never studied philosophy? Turn to page 306. You cannot tell kids from silly, page 195. Spanning 10,000 years of knowledge, featuring 3,684 things you should have learned but didn't or forgot somewhere along the way. It covers world history, art history, economics, literature, science, political science, religion, psychology, even films. What's the big deal with Citizen Kane? See page number 174. That's it for today. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. Thanks for watching.